How to create a WhatsApp account on PC without a phone. Hey everyone, welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp account on your PC without needing a phone. Let's get started. First, you'll need to download an Android emulator such as BlueStacks or Nox Player. These programs simulate an Android environment on your PC, allowing you to use mobile apps. So go to BlueStacks and download the installer and then install it on your PC. Then sign in to Google with your Google account to access the Google Play Store and search for WhatsApp. Install WhatsApp just like you would on a mobile device. To create a WhatsApp account, you need a phone number, so you can use an online SMS service or a second phone number if you don't have one. Open WhatsApp in the emulator, enter your phone number to receive a verification code. Use an online SMS service like TextNow or Google Voice to get the verification code. Then enter the verification code in WhatsApp to verify your number. Once your number is verified, by entering your name and optionally adding a profile picture, you can set up your profile and start using WhatsApp on your PC. And that's it. You've successfully created a WhatsApp account on your PC without needing a phone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.